We are Jennifer and Mike 𝗢𝗂𝘁. This is our carport. So we have a 35-foot deep by 43-foot wide RV cover. You can see the double poles. That's for the wind rating, or to support the 170 mile per hour wind rating. Also, if you look at the height, it's high enough, 14 feet, to clear an RV with an air conditioner on top. The height is user specified. We asked for that. We also have a bunch of room here because another RV will be parked right here eventually.
I was just very excited and had anticipation of finally getting it done, and I couldn't wait to watch them put everything together, go from the ground up. It was really cool to watch them walking on the roof like it was nothing. Each stage of the build, I was texting them the pictures every single time and getting all giddy and excited, and they couldn't wait, and they were sending woo-woos. It was exciting.
We would recommend Allen's Factory Outlet. They were here on time both days.
Yes. In fact, they were here before I woke up at 6:30 the second day for sure.
Total install was a day and a half. One of the things that attracted us to this one was there was a 20% discount on the building, and so that caught our attention. After that, it was the wind rating, but the product is very good. It seems to be very sturdy, and we believe will hold up nicely in rough weather down here at the beach.
It looks great.
We have our RV in place. We also built a nice sturdy table and a TV cover. So a mini football game will be watched on this TV. Thanks for checking out our carport.